My hair is filling in nicely after using a hair system product that is made from stem cells. You can see it in my before and after photos from like this area that I once heard a man call the cul-de-sacs. Hi, I'm Glory B, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Stem cell-based skincare products were new to me just a short time ago. Some women were changing from stem cell skincare after using placenta based skincare for a while. Now, one of the first questions I asked the company which makes the stem cell based skincare and hair care products is, where do the stem cells come from? And I found out the stem cells are from umbilical cords, which are birthing waste that would normally be thrown out. And it's from the umbilical cords from the New Zealand red deer, which means that the stem cells are plentiful, they're young, and they're ethically and painlessly harvested from the deer. I'm 65 years old now, so I'm always on the lookout for skincare products and hair care and hair growth products that work well. Now, these products from this brand, Calecim, have been a big hit with my viewers. You keep buying them and using my 15% discount code to get a great deal. Now, I started out using Calecim skincare products, which I'll talk about a little later. And then I started using their advanced hair system. Now, all of Calecim's products include the stem cell ingredients. For their hair system, the product is a liquid serum which contains Calecim's patented proprietary active ingredient with the stem cell structure, which they call PTT6. 1 milliliter of PTT6 contains over 3,000 active growth factors and exosomes. Now, there's extensive information about PTT6 on their website if you want to read more about it. The PTT6 in the hair products stimulates the hair growth by activating the hair follicles and reversing some of the signs of inflammation in the scalp that cause hair shedding. Before applying the serum to the scalp, we use a microneedling device that looks like this, and it comes with the kit. Comes a little cap on it. The microneedling device it's basically a stamp. And after sterilizing the stamp on an alcohol swab, you part your hair and work the stamp across the part 4 times. Then you apply a few drops of the advanced hair system liquid. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have a 15% discount code for my viewers for Calecim products, and all products I'm mentioning today in this video are listed and linked in the description box below the video and in the first comment. Open the description box by tapping the word more twice, or tap the word comments and then tap read more to open my first pinned comment, and all the links will be there. Before I forget to tell you, I have a 3-page anti-aging tip sheet that I give to my viewers and an occasional email with links to new videos and things I found that you might like. When you sign up, I'll give you the anti-aging tips document for free. The link to grab it is in the description box in the first comment and in a card that should pop up in the upper right corner around now. Or you can go to my website, GloryB-TV.com. On the home page, click the Get the Tips button, and on the next page, type your email address, click the pink Get My Tips button, and you'll get the tips. I have nutritional, skincare, and makeup tips for you that have all helped me to slow down the aging process, which I'm all about since I'm 65. The advanced hair system serum bottles come in I want to show you the box. It comes in a box that looks like this, and they're all prepackaged inside. So I'll take one out. So they come prepackaged like this. I don't know if you can see that. The light is kind of bright. So they come with, they're individually sealed, and then you pull off 2 protective caps, and then you attach this separately. There's also one each time you open a new one. You've got a new one of these little dropper, I don't know what to call it, a dropper top, a top dropper attachment. So you attach that, And each serum bottle lasts for 2 applications. Now, they say you can apply the serum to either wet or dry hair. I only apply it to wet hair after I've shampooed and conditioned. Now, let's go to a clip where I show you exactly how I apply the serum to my scalp. I always start with wet hair, but you can do this on dry hair too. I sterilize the microneedling stamp on an alcohol pad off camera. Then I part my hair down the middle. I press the stamp down with medium but firm pressure along the part 4 times. So from front to back, then back to front, and repeat. The PTT6 liquid comes in a glass bottle, but the top part they provide to attach to the bottle is either clear silicone or rubber and can be squeezed. I squeeze drops of the liquid along the part, and then I rub my fingers on the part to evenly distribute the serum. Next, I move along my head about an inch at a time. I use my comb to make a new part and repeat the process. I keep doing this along the side of my head until I get down to my ear area. Then I repeat the process on the other side of my head. I did that off camera. Next, I go for another area that I know is thin because I've seen it many times on my own videos. That is in the back on the lower right side. So I make a part there, clip the top hair out of the way, microneedle the part, and then apply the serum. The liquid absorbs quickly and it isn't sticky. After that, I style my hair as I normally do. The advanced hair system comes with an instruction card that I think I already tossed out, but it tells you to start applying the serum twice a week, and you do that for 6 weeks. Then you switch to applying it once a week, and you do that for 3 months. Then you go back to applying it twice a week for 6 weeks again, and you toggle on that schedule back and forth. Now, different people take different amounts of time to start seeing results. Many see visible results in just 6 to 8 weeks. For me, it's been longer, especially in these little cul-de-sac areas, that I call them, that have looked kind of bald in here for many years. So I'd say it's been closer to 6 months for me to see these results. And I'm thrilled with that. Since I want to show you what this part of my hair looks like before I style my hair, let's cut to a clip from earlier today to show you that. Before I style my hair, I wanted to bring the camera in a little bit closer so that you can see both sides of my hair, especially so on the top is where I've been concentrating the formula. But it's these 2 spots right here that start looking a little bit bald, right? So let's look on this side. And I have a mirror here and my monitor. The monitor is opposite of a mirror. So here, where I part on my right side of my head, but on place where I don't part, I'm really getting some good growth in here where I usually have this weird looking bald spot. So that I'm really pleased with. And then where I part it, it's coming in too. And sometimes, it's still short. So when I style my hair in this section, close to my face, the bang area, sometimes those hairs, as they're growing, they have a mind of their own. So, I have to tweak them a little bit, maybe with a curling iron so that they don't look alfalfa, where they just stick straight up. People my age should know what alfalfa is if they were running those reruns. So yeah, these little ones are growing in here. So that's really good. Anything that's growing like on the top of my head where I concentrate the formula, it's mixing in with the longer hair. So it's not as noticeable as the hairs in these 2 cul-de-sac spots that are close to the face. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how that looks. When I asked my contact at the company about the difference in the timing of seeing results, he said the treatment may reduce inflammation and improve the caliber of existing hair strands, making them stronger and healthier over time, and that these changes might not be apparent right away, but are crucial for long term hair health and growth. Now, if you take a look at their website, you'll see impressive before and after photos, including of men. So, if the man in your life might be interested in this hair system, definitely show it to him. Then on to Calecim skincare. Now, like I said earlier, all of their products contain the stem cell ingredient. The daily products include the Recovery Night Complex, which has a serum like consistency, the Professional Pigment Solution to address uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation, the Eye Contour Lifting Cream, which is great to address the eye area with a concentrated cream, the multi-action cream, which helps to boost collagen and elastin production and is a great night cream that can also be used in the morning before applying your sunscreen. And the restorative hydration cream, which is great for hydrating and is the only product that I don't have with me. Then the other standout skincare product they have is a professional serum. I know it's so tiny. Here we go. Now, this is to be used occasionally, such as after a skin treatment. If you go to an esthetician for skin procedures and facials, bring this with you to be applied after your skin treatment. Now, at home, I'll use it after using a Dermaroller like this on my skin. Now, Calecim doesn't sell facial Dermarollers, so I'm going to recommend a couple of them for you in the description box and first comment. Now, I used this Dermaroller last night on my face and neck. So to use them, you roll over an area 10 times vertically, 10 times horizontally, 10 times diagonally left, and 10 times diagonally right. And I target the lines on my face and neck. So after I'm done with the Dermaroller, my face is really red. Well, kind of pink, but you know what I mean, pink, red. So I only do this procedure at night. Then I apply a small amount of the Calecim Professional Serum. So it does come in a dropper bottle, so it's easy to dispense a small amount in the palm of my left hand. And then I use 2 fingers on my right hand to dip into the serum. I spread it all over my face. And with the amount that's left over my left hand, I spread that on my neck. Then I apply the Recovery Night Complex, a bit of the Professional Pigment Solution where I have hyperpigmentation, a bit of the Eye Contour Lifting Cream, and I finish with the Multi-Action Cream. I did that last night, and this morning my skin looked great. It was still a little pink on my cheeks from the Dermaroller, but my foundation, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation today, covered that up nicely. Now, going back to the advanced hair system, I'm so happy with the results. Now, remember, if you check out this brand, to use my links that are in the description box or in the first comment, and the 15% discount code will be automatically applied. My viewers and subscribers are really liking this brand. After you look into it, check out one of my other videos by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.